This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling location and internet. WhatsApp needs both. Once done, open the chat for the person or group you want to notify. Tap the attach or plus icon to reveal options. This is faster than searching menus. Decide if you need to send a static, exact PIN, or share live location for a duration. Knowing the difference prevents constant updates or missed tracking. Make this choice now so the next steps move smoothly. You'll now attach the location. Tap the paperclip or plus, then pick location from the menu. If WhatsApp asks for permission, allow precise location. This gives an exact GPS pin rather than an approximate area. Once the map appears, you can tap send your current location for a one-time exact pin, or choose share live location and pick a duration so your contact sees movement. Choose a duration that matches the situation. This controls privacy and battery use. Finish by reviewing the map preview. You can add a short message or screenshot to clarify the pin, then press send. If you shared live location, remember you can stop sharing anytime from the chat by tapping stop. If something goes wrong, no map or incorrect spot, check that device location services are set to high accuracy, confirm WhatsApp has location permission, and ensure you have a working internet connection. Toggling GPS or restarting the app usually fixes transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.